Good morning, everyone. My name is Liliana Yepes. I am a smart hotel site manager. In this day, I came to offer our service. Our service are Express Star Breakfast, Essential Express, and Express Rechair. Okay, what are we going to talk about? Rooms, food and drink, and connect. Rooms. In the rooms, from the moment you purchase our service, you can rent in a spacious suite and sleep for several hours. The smart elegant rooms had an air conditioned and desk and a flat screen cable TV. They also had a safe and coffee maker and had a private bathroom with toilets. They can use this service for a long time, for 4 days, for a month, etc. There are people staying here since last month, since this month, for 4 months, and months others. In the food and drinks, in the morning a food buffet breakfast is served, which includes tropical fruits and the famous Colombian coffee. The Smart Restaurant offers Mediterranean and international cuisine. The restaurant has been running for a long time and people are fascinated every time. This restaurant was created since it was created smart. Business service. Business service include six meeting rooms available, business center at the hotel for the days that you requested. Since you acquire them, you are free time to get yourself. Okay, these are our services are very comfortable and economy. Thank you.